So here basically next video of the text box. So one person basically told that how to check this basically, because if power the space center will get the information that the earth planet people basically has not tested this, then it is going to be very big issue basically. I am telling you, it will convert to third world war basically. And mostly basically few people told that basically the war is ongoing, right? So there might be connected with this thing basically which I am displaying you here just now basically. That is 100% I am telling you basically. It might be connected with this all stuff only basically. The war basically which is ongoing, that is 100% connected with the softwares. That's why basically the 70 percentage people basically are not working from office. They are working from home. That means somebody is there basically who know this everything basically. Otherwise, why basically 70 percentage people are working from home? There is reason basically. Reasons are there basically. That's why basically the American group told that basically we know this everything. That's why basically we are telling that compulsory office is required. So TCS basically know this. So they basically started 100% office, work from office basically. So like this basically the all software companies will start doing work basically from office. So some group basically might be there na basically who know this. So that time basically who is working from home, it will be trackable basically, right? So who is that group basically who know this everything basically? That while loop basically, if it will not get power supply from this city, the while loop will not work. So one person basically literally he was basically a good programmer basically. He understood little bit basically. Yeah, basically you might be he was basically ME, master in electronic engineering basically, whatever thing basically. He was MTech basically. BTech group also basically tried understood this basically. What actually Sunil R. Nair basically is trying to do. The NASA group basically understood. The ISRO group basically understood this, because they are sending the power data to space centers, and that power data are connected with this only basically. So that time basically the NASA ISRO group also basically got in tense. Why? Because they also basically few people told that NASA and ISRO groups are controlling the software companies. That means space group basically told that we trusted NASA ISRO, that basically converted into problem. So next video.